Hello everyone, welcome to an academy. Let's crack it. Yes, so we are going to crack UPSC CSE prelims with an academy Aspire. So what is this an academy Aspire? It's an all India free mock test for civil services aspirants, especially for this UPSC CSE prelims paper GS1. And then, so what is the benefit out of this is, first of all, you will know how UPSC examination will be. If you are writing it for the first attempt or any attempt, you will understand how you will feel like in the examination hall. Along with that, for the top 5 ranks, you might be getting 6 months of scholarship. And when is this happening? It's exactly on 10 a.m. of 23rd August. So you can enroll it now immediately, and then only 45 days is left for this examination. So is it okay to just prepare without testing in what position you are standing? That is not the effective method. You should test where you are, and within this 45 days you can actually rectify or you can actually strengthen what you have to do. So this you can do with Unacademy Aspire. And this exam pattern, you have it as a real exam experience, the same as how UPSC paper 1 will be. The paper is General Studies 1. It's an objective type question with 100 question, 200 marks, same as each question carries 2 marks. So 200 marks, same as UPSC examination. The duration is 2 hours and you do have negative marking. It is 1 by third of the total mark. And then, so why you should not miss this test? What is so important about this test? First is you will know your all India rank, where you stand, in the all India level, because people from various parts of our country are going to attend this test. And then you can experience the actual UPSC level. And the papers are curated by the top educators, and the test analysis discussion is done both in Hindi and English by the top educators. So you can understand what is your actual weak areas and you can try to develop it within this 45 days, and you can know how to attempt the test. Are you stressful? What is your problem in the examination hall? Is it stress or you cannot handle the time limit? Everything you'll be knowing, so you can just rectify them. This is your time. And 6 months of scholarship on an academy UPSC subscription for top 5 ranks. But the only condition is only live test takers. Live test takers is exactly 10 a.m. you should start and you should write the test. The paper will be evaluated immediately and you will get the results. And then what is the syllabus? So it's the prelims paper 1 generally. So what are the syllabus for prelims paper 1? You will be having current events of national international importance, history of India and Indian national movement, Indian and world geography, physical, social and economic, geography of India and the world, and then Indian polity and governance, in which we'll be studying constitution, political system, everything in constitution like Panchayat Raj, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, everything. And economic and social development, especially the sustainable development, which is the most important concept now. You cannot have a paper without at least one question from sustainable development. And general issues on environment and ecology. Last year alone, nearly 20 to 25 questions were just from environment and ecology. So all these important topics are covered, and you will know where you are actually standing in the preparation process. And you will immediately get the detailed analysis report, like how much questions you made correct, how much is wrong, how much you did not attempt, what is your negative mark, everything will be there along with your rank. Fine, so this is very important. So you will know where you are committing the mistake, what is your problem, how much score you can do, everything you'll be getting from this detailed analysis report. So you can enroll it. You can, enroll it now for free. The link is in the description. So near the name of this video, you'll be having an arrow mark. So if you click that, there will be a description of this video. There you have the link. Just by clicking the link directly, you can go into the page where you can enroll for this mock test. So about me, so I have spoken till now, and about me you should know. So I am Subhakirtana. I'm an engineer basically, and I have 4 years of teaching experience, and I have mentored more than 100 students. So I know what UPSC demands, and I also know what students should do to meet the UPSC demand. So I am an anthropology faculty and I have teaching experience in NEET also. So here I have given my link of the Telegram channel. So this is the link in the Unacademy platform to follow my profile where you can see my classes and you can even see the updates which I am posting. And this is something very important. Why? So if you are preparing for the first time or you are doing second or third attempt, but you're not aware what is actually the mistake you're doing that is, pulling you back from clearing this exam, then this is for you people. Why? Because generally you have both in Plus and Iconic, you have live classes, which is common for both, test series, unlimited practice, like you can practice n number of times, and test series also you have structured, you'll properly plan to finish the syllabus, not just completing the syllabus with a proper practice and strategy. Along with that, in Iconic you have something really iconic, that is personal coach, daily means question answer session, and study planner and personalized feedback. What are these needed for? First of all, personalized coach will know what you are strong at and what you are lagging at. They will give you a personalized feedback by having a daily means question answer writing session. So the correct way to start a preparation, if you are new or you are planning to give your examination on 2021 or 2022, then this is right, because you should start with mains question answer writing. You can ask me, ma'am, how? Prelims is the first examination, only then the mains come. But many people commit the mistake of just preparing for the prelims first, and with 2 or 3 months, you cannot actually do well for the mains. But using this daily mains answer writing session, mains question answer writing session, you parallelly are strengthening your prelim skills as well as main skills. So by the personalized feedback, you start incorporating the feedbacks in your day-to-day preparation process. Your marks will be, boosted up. You can aim for top all India ranks. Yes. So here I am giving you some gift from my part. You can use my code SUBA. So when you use my code SUBA, you get a 10 percentage of offer. So this 10 percentage of offer will be from your subscription fee. So if it is 64,000, you just get a 10 percentage of discount. For 1 year, you are paying 57,600. Same way, for 24 months, you will only pay 89,100 after the application of 10 percentage of offer. So I'm once again telling you, it is the first half of my name, SUBA, Suba. That's my code. You can easily use it and get a 10 percentage of offer. This is the plus, and that one is the iconic. So plus also you have, live classes, test series, unlimited practice, and a structured schedule. Here too you can use my gift SUBA as my code. I am giving you a 10 percentage of offer. So use my code and avail 10 percentage of offer and do a effective and very comfortable learning from the Unacademy platform. Fine. So thank you so much. I wish every one of you all the best. Attend this Unacademy Aspire and know where you are standing in the road of preparation process. How far are you from this destiny? I wish every one of you all the best. I wish every one of you to clear this examination with a very good rank. Thank you so much. So meet you all in the classes, and this is my code. Do not forget to use this when you subscribe for the Unacademy platform, either Iconic or Plus. And this is Let's Crack UPSC CSE English channel. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, because my classes and many other educators, top educators classes are in this YouTube channel. You can come and watch them. Thank you so much. Hit this bell icon for more notification, and I'm very happy to see you all in the classes. Thank you. Take care and all the best to clear the examination. Thank you.